Hello everyone, welcome to Junction City here on a brisk winter's day, and I'm here to show you the Thor Siesta 24SS. Just arrived and I've got the generator running and the slides out, so I'll show you what she looks like fresh on the lot. My name's Teresa, and again, welcome to Guarantee here in brisk Junction City. We'll start with some of our safety features on this nice unit. As you can see here, you've got some side view mirrors that always give you a picture when you need it of what's on either side of you, not to mention these nice large mirrors with the safety blinker on the outside. Extra space here so that you can actually have some view of what's right next to you as well. In this little cabinet that is locked at this point, there is an outside entertainment system. So you got a nice TV and some stereo speakers. Coming around, you'll see some nice storage capacity in this guy. I'll show you over here as well. This is your closet for your water tanks, plug-ins for your electric, or you can put a propane cooktop out here and enjoy your picnic area under this nice full coverage awning over the door and your full patio. And coming around the back, there's your plug-in for your propane. Keeps it right over on your patio side at all times. Nice ladder up for your roof. It's always great to be able to get up there and check on things whenever you need to. You've got your rear view camera. Some great visible rear lighting on the roof. So if you are towing something, you'll always be able to know that someone can see your brakes. This is your bedroom slide, and we'll go inside and see what kind of room that gives you when we go in. A nice closet for those extras that you want to just get to when you're outside. More storage. That's your 3200 awning generator, and access to your water, your outside shower, and your cleaning mode for your tanks. Good sturdy cabinets, just slam shut. Your living room slide. Plenty of outside storage. Kind of taken after the Class A's, these guys are, with all the storage room. And of course, coming around this side to the cabin, you see above you've got some nice windows in your overhead bed. A lot of them don't have that, and it's nice to know that you're not going to get all claustrophobic inside there, your company or whoever's sleeping up there. So come on in and let's take a look at her. Alright, first thing you'll notice when you're coming inside is a nice spacious cab that you're going to have on your long trips. Comfort up here is as important as the comfort in the back when you're parked. And our bed here, you don't have to do a lot of effort. Get that up there and it does stay up by itself. Really nice. And your windows are covered up with curtains right now. But as you saw from the outside, you're going to have some nice daylight and visibility. A ladder to get up if you need to, or if you've got smaller ones that need to get up there. A really nice dinette with extra cushion space. A little extra seating if you wanted to extend the table or add another little table leaf. It's really convenient. Seat belts for travelers. On this side, you're going to have your kitchen right backed up to your patio, so easy access to your picnic table and all of the events that you're going to have going on outside. Nice deep cabinet space. A really nice stainless steel deep sink. I know these bigger, deeper sinks are really important to a lot of travelers. Extended counter space. Large amounts of storage and deep storage. In this one, you'll notice that there is a true induction stovetop. Very nice, especially when you need heat and you need it now. These are instant on, instant off, and not hot to the touch. So if you got little ones that like to play around, on your countertop. You don't have to worry about them. You've got your convection microwave taking the place of an oven. More storage. Moving on back again, closet space. Lots of closet space. 3 separate drawers. Nice sized refrigerator that works on electric or gas. More storage. Back here, you'll notice that you are able to get a walk-around queen-size bed because of that nice pop-out slide for you. You got your TV here, and another one over there by the other bed. In here, a good-sized bathroom, and when it's not cold, things seem to move easier. It's a great size shower, and also a really nice feature in these, a porcelain toilet. Those tend to last longer, hold up better, and just stay nice a lot longer. Some of the great features about this Thor, and I'd like to tell you more. If you come on in, we'll go over all the details with you. My name's Teresa here at Junction City, and welcome again to Guarantee. Come on by and I'll share all that with you. My number is 253-886-7253. Give me a call and we'll go over some more. Thank you.